Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2022 Isuzu MU-X and I'm going to show you where the two fuse boxes are as well as the OBD2 diagnostics port. So first off we'll start in the cabin. So we're going to open up the driver's door or the right hand side of the vehicle fully, and we're just going to come down into the driver's footwell, and behind this little cabin door here, which you're just going to pull out like so, you'll actually find your cabin fuses. Now the fuses can actually be found on the back of the little cabin door, and so look at those through there. And then our OBD2 diagnostics port is actually found over to the left hand side, tucked right up there. So then to come to the engine bay fuse box, you're going to pull that lever there, come round to the front of the vehicle, put your hand in here and pull that lever to the left, opening up the bonnet fully and putting this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet now safe and secure, we can come over to the right hand side of the vehicle, just see the battery here, and then just to the back of that we've actually got this box here, which is our engine bay fuse box. So you can see all the fuses and relays inside, and you can actually find out what they are by looking on the back of the lid. And there we go, that's the two fuse boxes as well as the OBD2 diagnostics port on a 2022 Isuzu MU-X. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.